Today I'm taking a look at the 8250A Jump Starter. So it comes with a nice case. I appreciate that it actually has this written on there, so that if we throw this in our car, we're going to know exactly what's in it. It does have a nice carrying strap. We have our manual that is in full color. So here is our jump starter. Now I do not have any vehicles that need jump started today, but at least we can take a look at it. On the top we got our power button, and it does give us a nice full color display on it. We've got a force start button on here, so basically we're going to plug our cables into the top. We're going to hook that onto the battery, and it should automatically detect whether or not that is connected properly. If the battery is completely drained, it's not going to be able to detect it, so you have to use the force start button. So it's going to disable the protections, but it's going to allow you to be able to jump start your vehicle even with a completely dead battery. So next to that port we do have our flashlight. And if we double tap the power button, we do get that light. So we can make sure that we are connecting to the right terminals on that battery. We also have strobe, SOS, and off. On the rear, we got our main charging port. There's also a quick charge 18 watt. We got a 5 volt out USB-C and a 5 volt out USB-A. So here are our alligator clamps, and I appreciate that they actually made these a different length, so that way if we have them laid out, we don't have to worry about these things actually making contact with each other. So smart design there. They have a decent spring on them. They have very nice teeth on there to make sure that we're getting a good connection even on a corroded battery. And we can see we got a circle and a D shape, so there's no chance we're going to plug this in backwards. And a nice snug fit. So it should have safety protections on it to protect from short circuits and that kind of thing. And we do. So right here it says do not start, short circuit, battery dead. So that's good. So that means that even if you give this to somebody that doesn't know what they're doing, they're still going to be able to use it without having to worry about damaging anything. This is actually a decently long USB cable. So the cool thing about this is because this is essentially just a large battery, we can actually use this to charge our phone. There we go. So we got a great big power brick. We can use this for charging our phone or other devices, and we can also use it for jump starting our car. So when power becomes a problem, this would be a very handy thing to have in your car. So overall, I'm happy with that.